Okay, so magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So I'm here for the at least orientation ng inyong PathPit 4. This is for the asynchronous class. When you say asynchronous class, okay, so hindi po tayo magmi-meet. All the lessons will be via video. Okay, mga outputs will be submitted through the G-forms. Okay, sasagot kayo doon, especially for quizzes. And what you call this, via email. Okay, now, so there are certain things, okay, I hope you will understand. I'm Mr. Virgilio Barcena, but people just call me Sir Deck. Okay, Sir Deck. So wala po tayo kasi talagang mga guro, okay, na pwede pong mag-handle ng lahat ng klase. There are over 200 sections and there are only 6 of us. At yung tatlo pa doon ay hindi pa pwedeng mag-full load. So, first, let me welcome you to our asynchronous class. Okay, so for the BIT, BTB-TED, COT, I don't think there's a COT here. BS-NTREP, I have one section, and another section for the ECE. Okay, so when you talk about PathPit, okay, dati kasi PE lang siya, di ba? PE 1, 2, 3, and 4. But, okay, under the new guidelines or under the new curriculum of the PE, instead of just PE, it's PE PathPit. Okay? Combine nila or kinompress nila ang PathPit 1 and 2 so that 1 and 2 will be similar. Okay? Progressive siya. Tapos, so yun ay, kung napansin niyo yung 1 and 2 ninyo, ay more on physical activities, muscle toning, okay? For physical development. Now, so na-develop na yung katawan ninyo for PathPit 1 and 2. I-apply ngayon natin ang development na yan, okay, in an activity. So, nandyan na ngayon ang PathPit 3 and 4. Okay, progressive din siya. So, PathPit 3 and 4 is the application of your body, of your developed body. Okay, yung naayos na. So, it could be applied, okay, your body can be applied by dance, via sport, and, of course, we have martial arts. So, under me, okay, under my instructions, we'll be focusing on martial arts or particularly taekwondo. So, hindi kayo nag-handle, hindi po kayo na under sa akin ng taekwondo, ng martial arts in PathPit 3. But you do not need to worry, okay? So, babalik po tayo ng konting basic. Basic na basic lang po ang lessons natin in taekwondo because ang focus natin dito is understanding the sport, okay, understanding that taekwondo, okay, as a sport. So may theoretical tayo, but of course you need to be able to apply, okay, the movements, okay, the basic movements, and this will not only improve your body but also prepare your body in case of emergency or in case of danger. So, sinabi ko sa mga representatives ninyo, okay, na i-post yung timeline, okay, sa magaganap every week, ano ang expectation natin na matututunan ninyo or ipapagawa sa inyo every week. Okay, so we'll start with belt ranking. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng video or I will be uploading the videos later on, okay, concerning the belt ranking. Now, ang video na yan, okay, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi lang siya PowerPoint. It is a video wherein I am discussing. Okay? So, para pa rin tayong nasa classroom. Yun lang, walang interaction. But, I will be able to explain each part, particularly. Hindi lang siya words, hindi lang siya paragraphs. Okay, nandun ako, makikita ninyo ako, nagdi-discuss, nag-i-explain. So, ano po ba mga nakalagay na nga po sa timeline natin? So, we have your principles of belt ranking, Taekwondo Principles and Ethics, the gears and equipments, point system, paano ba nananalo kapag nasa competition, so may point system, may penalty, okay, and then, each week also, you will have your activities. We'll start off with the warm-ups, so ipe-perform ninyo yung mga warm-ups na yan, and at the same time, video yourself performing those warm-up activities. And then, you will have the basic kicks. Okay, the basic kicks, okay, you have your low kick, your 45 kick, and your axe kick. Okay, that's for level 1. Then you go to level 2, basic kick, which is the in-out kick and the out-in kick. Okay, so all of those, okay, kada lesson, okay, ipe-perform ninyo at i-video nyo siya. Okay, at isa-send nyo po siya sa, yung video na yon, okay, ay isa-send ninyo sa akin. Now, this is very important. Okay, and I mentioned ko na sa isang orientation ko, but just to repeat, okay, when you submit your video, please makinig do not use Google Drive. Kasi kapag sinabit ninyo ay Google Drive, tendency niya nakakalimutan ninyo na magyan ako ng access. So, hindi ko siya na-access. And I won't have time, sa dami ninyo, I will not have time to inform you na wala akong access. Okay? Pangalawa, there are cases kung saan man ako gagamit ng computer to view your files. The Google videos from the Google file or from your Google Drive does not function. Hindi po siya adapted or okay, kung hindi siya nakakapag-play. So, wala akong mag-gradean. So, what do you do? Kasi ina-expect natin na magiging malaki ang inyong file. What you're going to do is upload your video sa YouTube, okay, and then pag na-upload, make it either public, whether private, okay, set it for children, okay, para hindi kayo mahirapan, and then yung link ng YouTube, yun ang isi-send nyo sa akin. But please, before you send it, make sure nagpe-play po siya. Okay? Now, with regards to your video, okay, I have mentioned before sa video na, okay, para hindi naman mahirapan, masyadong marami ang na-checkan na video, we're talking about the videos here, na isa-submit by email. You could, pwede kayo isa-isa, kung gusto niyo, walang problema yon. Or, okay, mas maganda kung naka-group kayo, between around 4 or 5, okay, or 6. Okay? Minsan 7, pwede. It's up to you. But, make sure, okay, each person is identified. Kasi mamaya, nag-send kayo ng video, sa dulo, nilagay lang ninyo lahat yung mga participants. Okay, fine. Nilagay niyo yung participant. Sino dun? Sino yung nagpe-perform? So, sino yung mga pangalan ng mga taong yun? Kasi, hindi man ibig sabihin na bawat isa na ang video ninyo will be graded as one. Na kung ano yung grade ng video ninyo, yun ang grade ng lahat participants. No. Bawat person, okay, ay may particular points. Kasi syempre, baka hindi pare-pareho, hindi pantay-pantay, okay, or mali yung pagka-execute. So again, okay, so don't forget to indicate your names. Now, you do not need to edit your video na papagandahin nyo pa, lalagyan nyo pa ng mga konong effect, lalagyan nyo pa ng music. No need for that. No need for that. Hindi naman siya magigradean sa pagandahan ng video. Okay? Walang grade po yung pagandahan ng video. Gigradean siya according sa tamang execution. Okay? Now, when you send your videos, please never, ever, ever forget to indicate your section. Okay? Do not forget to indicate your section. Kasi there are 25 sections all in all asynchronous. Meron pa akong face-to-face. Oh, so hahanapin ko ba naman kung taga sa anong section tong mga taong ito. Okay? So please, okay, do not forget to indicate your section. Okay? Maganda rin siyempre sa umpisa pa lamang, nandiyan na yung mga pangalan. Okay? Pero, syempre, yung sa video, nandun pa rin yung pangalan kung sino yung mga nagpa-perform. Okay. Next up in line, hold on. Let's continue. May dumaan kasi aeroplano. Naingay. So, what else? Okay. So, may mga activities tayo na maaring hindi kayo pwede. Okay. So, hindi kayo pwede because of maaring physical difficulties. Excuse me. Okay? May diferensya kayo sa katawan. So, please, okay, wag mag-PPM. Okay? See me, okay, sa school. I will be available for consultation at ELX 202. Okay? From Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 12 to 1 to be safe. Pero, available na rin siguro ko nung araw na yun ng 8 to 10. Okay? Mga 8 to 10. Okay, so doon sa ELX 202 sa taas po ng mechanical shop. Okay, so kung may problema po, okay, see me. Okay, wag na mag-PPM. Okay, bring necessary documents, okay, pertaining to your issues. Any other concern, please see me rin. Wag na po mag-PPM kasi matatabunan po masyado yung PM ninyo. So, dami rin na nagme-message sa akin. What else do I need to tell you? So, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung mga GC ninyo, hindi na po ako sumama. Okay, I asked just the representative. Okay, meron kaming GC ng mga representative. Doon ako magpo-post at sila po ang responsible to attach these videos sa inyong individual GCs. Okay, so what else do I need to do? Attire. Please lang, okay? Kung may PE uniform kayo, much better. Okay? Pero, kung wala, any jogging pants. Any jogging pants, tapos pangtaas, when you perform your videos, ha? Ayoko hindi ko, not accepted ang shorts. Okay? Palda. Jogging pants. And make sure your jogging pants are loose enough to execute the different kicks. Yan. So, what else? Okay, so I guess, okay, so this week, expect nyo, so we have your orientation and I will be posting the first lesson. Okay, so, ang lesson 1, nakalagay kasi dun sa video na may kasunod kaagad na quiz. The first quiz by Google Form will follow next week. Okay, kasi kasama dun sa quiz number 1, yung lesson number 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so any more questions, you just see me. So again, this is Mr. Virgilio Barcena, welcoming you to Pat Pit 4, Taekwondo as a sport. So be careful, everyone. Bye.